Here's Jaden trying to get my San Pellegrino. He's addicted to Pellegrino. Watch this. His mouth is wide open waiting for a glass of Pellegrino. Look at that expression. You good? You want some more? Ooh. Are you still processing? More? Okay. Ooh, yucky doo-doo, huh? The carbonation. This is Jaden's first expression with carbonation. Well, at least it's light carbonation. Because it's flat. Right? How you doing, buddy? Good job. Okay. One more. Oh. That's it? One more. Here you go. Okay. Alright, folks. See you later.